Hello everyone, welcome to Real Life Real Home. So it has been a while since I made any sort of organization or decor kind of a video. So today I thought I will share with you how I have given a complete makeover to my master bathroom using only and only DIY things that can be easily made at home, things that you can recycle from stuff that you already have. Very simple and minimalistic. Generally what happens is that when you are living in a rented place, there are a couple of restrictions, like for example you can't drill holes, too heavy furniture for storage, or too many things, because if you are moving from one place to another constantly, that's a hassle, so you can't keep that. So what I have tried is that to keep the master bathroom clutter free, to keep the products that I only use. The bathroom does not have anything which I don't use, so it has totally a minimalistic kind of view, and it looks amazing, it feels amazing. It definitely is a place where you can rewind, relax and rejuvenate. So let's get started with the video.
So first let me give you a 360 overview of the bathroom. So starting from the left side, these are some of the decor pieces that I have created, and I've tried using aqua, blue, yellow and white. These are basically the colors that I have chosen. And then I do have the L-shaped countertop. So I have enough storage. I have he and she vanities, but half of my storage is empty because I don't pile up on unnecessary stuff. Only the things that I use are in my bathroom. So I have placed and organized the stuff according to accessibility, so that is easy and handy to access. So the first thing is this DIY yarn wall hanging, which is very easy to make. I have chosen two colors, aqua blue and white. If you go in the market and look out for these type of wall hangings, they are extremely pricey. So let's make our own. To make this, I have taken this wooden dowel. It's nothing but like a wooden stick kind of a thing, and you can get it at Michael's, any craft store, even at dollar store I have seen it. Take any color of yarn that you like and then wrap around a notebook or a cardboard piece about 10 to 15 times. Take it off from that and cut it in between. So now all you have to do is tie a knot on this dowel that I have taken in a way that I am showing. It's very easy, and similarly you will make other pieces to cover the whole dowel. And I have used two dowels, one for blue and one for white, and then I have attached them together again with the same yarn, and I have hanged it on a wall with the help of a push pin. The next DIY that you are seeing are these beautiful colored pots. So I have bought these two small clay pots from dollar store. You can get it at Michael's also, and they are very cheap. And I am painting them with the help of acrylic paint, any color of your choice. Let them dry, and then I am giving them a little bit of design to just make them more beautiful. So I am using yellow color for it. And then what I will be doing is that I am placing my two succulents that I have in these pots and hanging them with the plant hanger. This is the plant hanger that I have made using macrame. So now all the DIYs on the left side are done. Let's move on to the countertop and see what things I have kept on my countertop and how I have arranged it. So on the left side I have this tray. This is nothing but a shoebox lid that I have recycled. I have wrapped it with the wrapping paper and I have placed a shelf liner. So I have kept only the things that are needed after washing your face on this tray. So my combs, there is a succulent over here, I have a moisturizer, some essential oils, my chapstick, aloe vera gel and my sunscreen. These are the only things that I use, all in one place and very nicely arranged. Now let's very quickly see what are the things that I keep in my drawers. So in the first one I have some nail paints, my bobby pins, my rubber bands and some of my watches and things like that, some random stuff. In the second one I have my makeup, my body mist, my perfumes and things like that. This is all the makeup that I have. So again, not much, and I use makeup occasionally only, so that's why I have kept it minimal. And in the last and the third drawer, I have kept the medicines that are not kept in the fridge. So again, some different type of essential oils, some cough syrup, some cough tablets and band-aids and things like that. And this is the under sink area, which again I have utilized fully with whatever things I have. To keep the area well segregated, I have used some DIY baskets and some store-bought baskets, and this is the over the cabinet hanger where I have kept my dryer, my curler and straightener. On the right side of the sink, I have kept this beautiful green plant and this hand painted rock. I get these rocks outside my home, but you can buy them at a craft store or at dollar store. They're very cheap again, and just use acrylic paints. They are a beautiful decor item for any part of the house. Then on the corner, I have this corner shelf that I got from Dollar Tree, and these are the candle jars. The candle got emptied, so I washed them and reused them, and I have placed some beautiful beads outside, and I've used them to place all my cotton pads. And the other one is a similar one, and I've used it to place my earbuds. So they look beautiful and they are recycled products. Now this basket that you're seeing, isn't it looking very beautiful? But you will not believe that this is actually a dosa batter can that I have recycled using some rope and an old bed sheet that I had to make a liner. I have placed all my face towels in this so that it's easy to grab and they look very elegant as well. And at the bottom I have placed some of my favorite candles. And then I have placed a jar with some knickknacks, so random stuff. I don't like things lying around on my countertop, so that's why I've kept this jar. This jar is also from Dollar Tree, so I keep specimens, sometimes my clutcher, nail cutter, things like that. Moving on to the other vanity, I have two trays placed on either side of this vanity. So in this tray I have kept all the things related with brushing, and I have decorated the tray with some again hand painted rocks, so done at home DIY kind of a thing. And then I do have a mouthwash. I have placed a small tumbler here, and then this jar that you are seeing is exactly not a jar, but it's a vase that I have recycled. I have put some marbles inside it. I have decorated it with some beads, and then I have put my brushes and my toothpaste in this vase. Now on the other side of the vanity here, I have things related with hand washing, so my hand soap, sanitizer, lotion on this side. Now I do have this towel bar. This is just above the toilet pot, and I don't want to hang my towels there, so I have utilized this space by hanging a basket using only shower hooks. And I have kept all my shampoos here, his shaving gel is here, face wash, body wash, things like that we use in the bathtub. And below that I have kept a diffuser, so the bathroom smells amazing every time you use it. Now under the storage, under the sink, I have kept all my cleaning supplies here. I do have a separate cleaning routine video in which you can see how I have created this caddy, what things I keep. Also, I have one more bathroom cleaning and organizing video which will show you how to quickly clean your bathtub and things like that. I'll link both the videos in the description box. So this is how the overall bathroom looks like after the makeover. I am in love with it. I really liked how it turned out to be. If you are looking to give your washroom a makeover, the number one thing you have to keep in mind is not to pile up on products or things that you don't use. Everything should have a proper place, where to take it from, where to put it back. Things should be clearly visible so that it's easy for you to clean and maintain. So I really hope you liked the video, you got some ideas from it. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll see you all next time with my next one.